Hello WordPress peoples, in this video we are going to talk about ACF shortcode. So if you don't know what is ACF, how the plugin works, then I have already created a playlist. So I would suggest, if you don't know what is ACF, then just go through this playlist first and then come back to this video. And you know what is ACF, you already watch my videos, then continue watching. Before jumping into the code, if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would suggest to watch or review this website called WPvoyage.com. This has very good tips and tricks regarding Gutenberg development and Gutenberg editor. So please go and check out this site. Thank you. So let's begin the ACF shortcode. So first things first, I have already enabled the ACF Pro plugin. We will check if that works with free plugin as well or not. But first let's check with the Pro plugin. So I'm gonna go to custom fields and I will create a field group for posts. So let's quickly add field group and we will call it post meta data, and I will simply add a sample text field. So I will call it sample data and I will select post type is equal to post and save it. So now this field will be available for the posts only. So it's added. I'm gonna go to the one of the posts. Sorry about this, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna edit this Mahabharata post. So let's edit this. So here we can see some content and here is our sample field. So I'm gonna add some value to this field and then we will get the value using the ACF shortcode in this editor itself. So now I'm gonna add, let's say, BuntyWP and save it. So what is the shortcode for ACF? So simple, it's just ACF. So what I'm gonna do is I will add a new block and I will add shortcode block here, and in the shortcode I will write down ACF and then another parameter will be field equal to field name. So our field name is sample data. I'm gonna add the sample data, and if you don't pass, there is another parameter as well which is post ID, but if you don't pass, it will consider this current post ID. So I'm not going to pass the current post ID here. So just update it. So it should print this value when we visit this post. So let's wait for the update. Let's click on this. Should be updated. As you can see, it is displaying this value. So I'm gonna share the official document for ACF shortcode as well. ACF shortcode. So there are some limitation for the ACF shortcode, that it only works for simple text based values. So maybe if you add repeaters or something, it won't work. That you can check by your own. Now let's check if this shortcode works with free plugin or not. So I'm gonna go to plugins. And I will try to activate the free plugin. Let's see if it deactivates the pro plugin automatically or not. Yes, so it deactivated the pro plugin and activated the free one. Now let's try to refresh this page and let's see if the shortcode works with free plugin or not. So yeah, it does. It is working with free plugin as well. So this is how we can use ACF shortcode. And this is the video, guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.